if you have a case where the clutch plates are in and you have a magnet like this, but it won't fit in, what you can trick is you can use a magnet, any magnet. I'm going to use this is a magnet for welding. Just put it at the top, flip out the plate, and out she comes. And you can do the same at the bottom. That's it. When rebuilding a clutch, he says the magnet grabs everything. It's always a friction plate, metal plate, and friction plate. Goes in for rebuilding the clutch. And that follows all the way through. So the last one is a friction plate, and the first one is a friction plate.